Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into the world of cars, exploring their features and innovations. If you enjoy the content and want to support my channel, don't forget to hit that like button and consider subscribing for more exciting videos. Your support means a lot and helps me create even better content for you. Thank you for being a part of this community. In a section thick with huge SUVs controlled by V8 motors, the Sequoia stands separated from its standard V6 crossover powertrain, a framework that vows to save fuel without forfeiting execution. The 437 HP iForce Max powertrain is imparted to the Tundra crossover pickup truck, similar to the remainder of the Sequoia's underpinnings, and it's sufficiently bold to tow and take as well as anyone. The Lodge is furnished pleasantly with all the normal tech treats, and its back seats are roomy enough for youngsters to settle in. Pulling grown-ups back there is an alternate story, as the third column is out and out excessively confined. Freight space behind the third column is restricted as well, and sadly, dropping the rearmost seats to fit more stuff in the back is prevented by a lopsided burden floor with a high liftover level. Adversaries, for example, the Chevy Tahoe and the Passage Endeavor, are basically more down-to-earth and adaptable. Yet in the event that what you're searching for is an extra huge SUV with mixture power, the Sequoia is a decent, and you're just, decision. What's happening for 2024? The restricted nightshade model joins the setup for 2024 and accompanies special 20-inch TRD wheels painted in a matte dark completion to match other shutdown outside appearance things. Platinum trims can now be had with a similar TRD rough terrain bundle that was accessible on the restricted a year ago. The bundle adds a rough terrain suspension framework with Bilstein shocks, a pallet plate, an electronically controlled locking back differential, rough terrain driving modes, a creep control framework, a slope plummet control capability, and a couple of explicit appearance things. Restricted models with the TRD rough terrain bundle presently likewise accompany a shutdown outside appearance. The restricted trim seems to offer the best worth in the arrangement. In spite of the fact that it's just a single move forward from the base SR5, it accompanies a large group of extra treats standard. Those things incorporate a bigger 14.0-inch touchscreen, a power liftgate, 20-inch wheels, warmed and cooled front seats, and a power-collapsing third line. Motor, transmission, and execution. The Sequoia comes standard with the iForce Max mixture powertrain that is discretionary in the Tundra pickup. This powertrain is contained a twin super 3.4-liter V6 motor and an electric engine that produce a sum of 437 GP and 583 pound-feet of force. The Tundra's 10-speed programmed transmission continues to the Sequoia SUV also. Back tire drive is standard, with four-wheel drive discretionary on most adaptations, and standard on the rough terrain arranged TRD Master model. The four-wheel drive Sequoia Capstone we tried advanced to 60 miles per hour in 5.6 seconds and arrived at a quarter mile in 14.3 seconds at 94 miles per hour. That is faster than the last GMC Yukon Denali we tried, yet fairly more slow than the Passage Endeavor tree line. The TRD Expert likewise accompanies rough terrain hardware, for example, redesigned Fox dampers, a front pallet plate, a locking back differential, and produced 18-inch wheels with 33-inch tires. During our underlying test drive, we were satisfied with the Sequoia's agreeable ride and calm lodge, however less so with its on-street driving way of behaving. Its far-reaching feeling out and about makes it hard to put in a path, something we've grumbled about in other enormous SUVs as well. And its featherweight directing exertion doesn't help. Its brake pedal additionally has a strangely soft feel. Efficiency and true MPG. The new Sequoia's mixture arrangement makes it altogether more proficient than the active model. Back tire drive models are EPA appraised at 21 mpg city, 24 mpg expressway, and 22 mpg consolidated. Settling on four-wheel drive drops those numbers a little, to 19 mpg city, 22 mpg expressway, and 20 mpg consolidated. On our certifiable 75 mF expressway efficiency test, our capstone test vehicle oversaw just 19 mpg. For more data about the Sequoia's mileage, visit the EPA's site, Inside, Solace, and Freight. The Sequoia's enormous inside go on in this new age, with a third line of seats as standard hardware. A second-column seat arrangement with an 8-traveler limit is standard, with discretionary second-line commander's seats diminishing the quantity of seats to 7. Headroom is restricted in both of the back lines, especially when outfitted with the discretionary all-encompassing sunroof.